Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick video on how I spot clean my brushes. I just found out about this trick and I haven't really seen anybody talking about it, so I wanted to show you guys to save you guys a little bit of time and to make sure you keep those brushes nice and clean. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So we're going to start off with this micellar water right here, and this one is by Garnier. And it's really good. A makeup artist told me about this here in Guam, so I decided to try it out and it ended up being pretty fantastic. So I wanted to try it out on my brushes and it ended up working really great. To do this, you want to go ahead and grab your brushes, then pour the micellar water into some type of dish. And then just go ahead and swirl the brush in there. Doesn't take much time. You can work out the color with your fingers if it's a dirtier brush, and then go ahead and swirl it again. And then you want to go ahead and take a clean towel and get all the excess color out of it. And there you have it, nice and clean. You can repeat the process if you need to, if your brushes are really dirty or if your brushes are white like this one, but that's it. It's really simple. Then you just go ahead and place your brush down so that it could dry. It doesn't take very long to dry either. This technique also works on bigger brushes. Getting water everywhere, you just squeeze that out and swirl it in there again. Now I use this technique for spot cleaning or in between washes. But I still do prefer to do the deep cleaning method because I like my brushes nice and clean. But if you just want to spot clean in between your deep cleanings, this is a really great option. And there's the next one. And if you like, you can grab a few brushes at a time. I really love this stuff. It's not harsh on your brushes. It leaves the brushes really nice and soft, and it takes no time to dry. I hope you guys like this tip. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos, and check out itsterreana.com. Bye guys.